I'm going to shoot it to you straight about myEcon. If you're watching this video, you're looking for ways to make money online. Maybe you're looking at myEcon. Maybe you're a subscriber of my channel. Maybe somehow you just stumbled across this video. I don't know. But if you're here, I want you to hear me out and pay attention to this entire video, because all I'm going to do is give you the truth. I'm going to keep it short, sweet, direct. I ain't going to sugarcoat shit, and I'm going to tell you exactly how it is, not only working with me, but in myEcon. If you want to make money online, if you want results, pay close attention. Look at those numbers on your screen, okay? That's over 40 sales in the last, well, less than 2 weeks, okay? At the time of this video, I don't know if you could see this, but I'm going to open up Google over here, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to just type in time and date, okay? And you can see at the time of this video, it is September 13th. It is 10:34 a.m. So I'm working here from my home, because literally myEcon and making money online is what I do full time. And you could see right there, okay, September 13th. So if you look at my Gmail account, that's multiple sales per day. I average anywhere between 3 to 5, sometimes even 8 to 10 sales per day, because our myEcon system works. Period. End of story. Can't debate it. Undeniable truth. So if you're a hater, if you're a doubter, if you think MLM sucks, whatever, dude, move on to the next video and go hate somewhere else, because our shit works. And you can sit here and debate me on it all you want, but our team is growing at a massive rate and the sales continue to flood in. So I'm not here to be nice. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm here to tell you directly, if you're sitting there looking to make money online, looking to join a winning team, looking to find something that actually works, myEcon is the business and this is the team. Numbers don't lie. So instead of being there on the outside looking in, wondering, pondering, debating, doubting, living in fear, action cures fear, my friend. And you could sit there and go find negative. You could go look for ways that it's not going to work. You could dig up and reach into your pocket and find all the excuses, like I don't have a big following, you know, I don't this, I don't that, insert excuse here. Or you could shit and get off the pot and actually join something that is actually working right now and working extremely well. Our team is growing at a massive rate because we've put a system together that is documented proof and actually freaking works. End of story. Okay. And we've been doing this for years, helping people just like you for years. So I wanted to shoot this video for you to be really simple, really straightforward, and really direct. If you're looking at myEcon and you want to make money from home and you want to do it in the simplest, easiest, and most effective way possible, link in the description down below. If you need more information and want to go watch more videos, that's cool. Link in the description down below. You can see my full tutorial. It's a 22-minute overview of how our system works with myEcon. You can go watch that. But I'm just going to tell you this. Go do all the research you want. Go watch video after video after video after video. But it's not going to make you any money. Action cures fear, my friend. So shit or get off the pot. Get on the inside and be part of a winning team, because be in proximity to those that are winning. Be in proximity so you can surround yourself with positive, like-minded, driven people that are getting real results right now in myEcon and making money online right now. Those are the people that you want to surround yourself with, and stop being on the outside looking in, wishing, hoping, praying that things could work, or living in fear, thinking that, oh, this might not work for me because I don't have a big following. I don't have this. I don't have that. Insert excuse here. Everyone starts at zero. It's up to you if you want to stay there. And we could show you step by step, click by click, exactly what to do. And you could literally just go do it. And you could go get the results. Or you could just reach into your pocket and pull out yet another excuse. The choice is yours, my friend. And that's the beautiful thing here. You always have a choice. If I were you, I would choose and decide that right now is your time. And we'll be right there with you every step of the way. Plain and simple, myEcon works, and it works really well. And our system with myEcon, it's undeniable proof, my friend. And the numbers are right there on your screen. And I can't make it any more simpler for you than that. Thank you for watching this unfiltered, off-the-cuff video. but I just wanted to shoot it to you straight. I just wanted to give it to you real, no fluff, no bullshit, just straight up actual real life results. And I hope you wanted to hear that. If you didn't, move on to the next video. Otherwise, thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.